sunrise comes through the patio door. No stairs, no hassle, one floor living. Easy mornings, coffee in hand. Life feels great in my new home. It's a move-in ready jam on a quiet street, where single floor living feels complete. 2 beds, 2 baths, a kitchen that glows, quartz and comfort, where simplicity flows. At 4166 Summerlyn, peace runs deep in a Fischer Homes community where you can be safe. Tucked in Lebanon, close to town, shops and cafes just walking down. Otterbane's near and Shaker Run, parks and trails for outdoor fun. Historic charm just minutes away, Arnco Park and Cedar Creek to play. Safe and calm, a real hometown, where neighbors smile and roots grow down. Country died wide, the schools are strong. This is where you know you belong. It's a moving ready life that's built for you. One level private and brand new too. First time resale with a tree line view. A patio made for sunsets too.